everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope that you are all having an amazing day, guys. Okay, so today, as you can see, we have the gel box and this is the December box, guys. Oh my gosh. So I have opened it and it smells like gingerbread man. Like, can you have a look? Okay, maybe I should take the phone off the stand. Look! Oh my gosh, what a poser. What a poser, but such a beautiful poser. I mean, this box, tell me this does not look good for like your nail display. This is what I'm going to be using to display my nails because, I mean, like, it's a whole event. Yep, we've got the fireplace, candles, decorations. It's absolutely stunning. But yeah, guys, let's get into the box. So don't forget, you can use my discount code on screen, MDNGEL15. Save yourself 15% when you order at Gelbox. And they do ship internationally, so you haven't got to worry. It says this month's box is a special one, featuring Biscuit, my beloved Pomeranian. I knew it. It just, listen, this is a family pet. Oh, wow. Back during the pandemic, I was unfortunate enough to lose both my parents back to back. Obviously, this was a very low point in my life. Feeling lost and empty, no words were comforting to me. It really became a strain on my mental health. Biscuit came in my life as a gift. I just can't explain how these things work, but my dog saved me. His presence was a source of pure affection and love. I mean, dogs are like that. They just come and love you unconditionally. So with this box, I'd like to give something back and show them we appreciate their love and loyalty. Therefore, with every Christmas box purchased, we will donate 10% of the cost to RSPCA or Dogs Trust. Yours sincerely, Virginia. Oh my gosh, that is absolutely so sweet because I have a fur baby. He's downstairs sleeping right now, Mr. T'Challa. Oh my gosh. I don't want to disturb him because he's having a little sleep, aren't you, boy? But this is my little fur boy, Mr. T'Challa, King of Wakanda. All right, boy, I'll let you sleep. Thank you, Virginia. Absolutely awesome. And, you know, when we got the puppy, it was definitely for the boys. And I have seen, oh my gosh, they love their dog. They really do. Okay, this is beautiful. I'm going to keep that. So this is the inspo for this month. Absolutely gorgeous. And I'm actually going to do this today on my practice hand. So we're going to do this, recreate it. And oh, look, this little sticker. This is so cute. It just really looks like him. Oh, is it him? You should say he came into my life. Biscuit came into my life as a gift. His presence, yes, he's a boy. So handsome. Okay, so I'm loving all the green and the red. We're going to go into this wax seal with no finesse because, you know, it's wax. So here we are. OMG, Virginia. Okay, so this rain, I'm saving this. This is going to be my drip for Christmas Day. So definitely, oops, look out for the reels. I'm definitely going to be wearing my reindeer bonnet. And I've got bells. I'm going to be wearing this literally on Christmas Day. I'll take pictures. Oh, you got some nice little red bows there, which we'll put on the nails. Lashes, OMG. Now these are beautiful, but these are most likely going to go into my giveaway only because I wear glasses, so I'm unable to wear long lashes. There are only some that literally I can wear, so I'll put these in the giveaway. Oh, what's this? So I see some tubs. Okay, so this is foil. It's a red foil. And there's a green one, literally. Love it because it's got the dimension. And this looks like white glitter. Yes, it's that fairy glitter. Oh my gosh. So that's for your sugaring needs. Awesome. And candy, not candy cane. Oh my gosh, I've got candy cane on the brain because I can see it there. But this is the cuticle oil, which is probably going to smell like the box. It smells like gingerbread. Oh my goodness, this smells like Christmas. Oh, it smells like Christmas. I just cannot. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh my days, guys. Like, you got to hurry up and this box will go. Thank you, Virginia. I have 2 boys, 2 little dependents at home, so thank you. I'll give them 1 each. Normally when it's 1, I get to have it because it's 1. So we have a tool in here, and it has a dotting tool at the end, which I like. It's a tiny one. And you have a tiny little brush here too, so that's amazing. We will use that. And we've got 4 colours, I believe. Oh my gosh, Christmas or not Christmas. So this one is called Pure White, so that's amazing. I've never tried Gelbox's white, but I've heard amazing things about it. So I can't wait to get into that. So that's the white. And then we have Holly Jolly. Love it. This is a green. Really nice sort of metallic green. So, yep, loving that. And then we have Champagne Glitz. Ooh, this is going to be... Well, I just knew it. Like, come on, look at that glitter. Look at that. So beautiful. And last but not least, we've got Xmas Red. So this is just going to be, yep, all your red, the glitters. It's so stunning. So I absolutely cannot wait to get into this set. I'm going to clear everything off the table. Have a look at the bottom like we always do, as if we haven't already had enough. But, you know, just got to make sure. No harm in checking. I'm going to place the other items back in. I'll give the boys a candy cane a bit later. And this is our inspo. And yeah, that's gorgeous. Thank you all so much for watching. Please catch me in part 2 where I'll be doing a design using my box. Bye everyone.